The rise of Reta Bent Mohammed, celebrating beauty and fashion in Christmas 2024. As the world gears up for the festive season of Christmas 2024, one name stands out in the fashion industry: Reta Bent Mohammed. Hailing from Iraq, Reta has captivated the hearts of many with her stunning looks and remarkable talent as a fashion model. But it is not just her beauty that has garnered attention. It is her unique approach to fashion, encapsulated in her new evening dress collection that is set to redefine holiday elegance. A symbol of beauty and diversity, Reta Bent Mohammed embodies a new era of beauty that transcends cultural boundaries. As an Iraqi model, she brings a refreshing perspective to the international fashion scene. Her grace and poise reflect a rich cultural heritage that informs her artistic vision. Reta's journey into modeling has inspired many, especially young women in Iraq and the broader Middle East, encouraging them to pursue their dreams in a world where diversity is celebrated. Empowering through fashion. Beyond aesthetics, Reta Bent Mohammed's collection tells a story of empowerment. Each design is an invitation for women to express themselves with confidence. Reta envisions a world where fashion is not merely a means of adornment, but a source of empowerment. Her evening dresses are meant to make women feel beautiful, powerful, and ready to embrace any occasion. The collection emphasizes elegance while allowing for personal expression. From flowing silhouettes to tailored cuts, Reta's designs cater to a variety of tastes. Soft pastels and bold jewel tones are harmoniously integrated, providing options for different skin tones and personal styles. Glimmering embellishments and exquisite embroideries further enhance the festive allure of the collection, making them perfect for Christmas parties and celebrations. The collection: elegance meets festivity. Reta's new evening dress collection for Christmas 2024 is a testament to her artistic flair and understanding of modern fashion trends. These dresses are designed to celebrate both the festive spirit and the individuality of the wearer. Each piece features intricate details, luxurious fabrics, and vibrant colors that capture the essence of the holiday season. In an industry that often promotes unattainable ideals, Reta's commitment to inclusivity and body positivity stands out. Her collection features designs that celebrate different body types, ensuring that every woman can find something that makes her feel special during the holiday season. Conclusion: a new face of fashion. As we approach Christmas 2024, Reta Bent Mohammed is not just a fashion model. She is a trailblazer paving the way for a more inclusive and diverse fashion landscape. Her new evening dress collection is a celebration of beauty, individuality, and empowerment. Through her lens, fashion becomes a festive expression of identity and culture, inviting women worldwide to embrace their unique styles. In this season of joy and celebration, Reta's creations will undoubtedly shine on runways and at holiday gatherings, bringing the spirit of Christmas to life through exquisite fashion. As Reta Bent Mohammed continues to rise, she reminds us all that beauty knows no boundaries, and that true elegance comes from the heart.